monkey way. See you later, alligator, waving bye from an elevator. What's the buzz? Fuzzy fuzz. I saw a bee wearing purple gloves. Take it slow, little snail, sliding soft on a jelly trail. Hop to it, little frog, jumping high through the morning fog. No way, Jose, not today or any day. Give me 5 furry hives, buzz and clap, we feel alive. Now you know some phrases cool, say them walking, say them at school. Funny, friendly, full of cheer, let's say them loud for all to hear.
See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. What's the buzz, Fuzzy Fuzz? Take it slow, little snail. Hop to it, little frog. No way, Jose. Give me 5 furry hives,